Welcome to the ET380 how-to video for Lab 4 Sine Wave Oscillator Labs. We're going to build it in Multisim. Okay, let's build our first oscillator, the free-running phase shift sine wave oscillator in Multisim. This is the circuit here. Okay, let's build our oscillator circuit. I am reusing our op-amp one that we built originally, so let's go ahead and save this so I don't write over it. And I'm going to call it a sine oscillator. We'll give it a 1. Okay, so let's get rid of our input there. And we're going to need several of our 10K, so let's change this to a 10K. And let's copy that. And let's rotate it 90. And we need 2 more of those. Good. And we need a potentiometer, so let's go here to basic potentiometer. Where do you go? There it is. And we need a 1 meg. Move him up there. And let's go get our capacitors. And we're going to need a 0.022 right there. And we're going to need 3 of those. Okay, so let's move this guy over here so we get some space here. Okay, so we have a capacitor, resistor, capacitor, resistor. Take that guy down, and we have another capacitor. And let's go ahead and eliminate that. Oops. Okay, I think I need more space, so let's move him over. Good. So we're going to need some more of those, so let's copy, paste 3 of those. All right. And just go ahead and touch those. Okay, that is good. I'm doing it this way so I don't have to put in a junction here. And this one's going to go all the way up. Let's rotate him 90. And this one's going to go all the way up and over and back to our input. potentiometer back. And let's take our 10 and put her down here. And that looks good. Let's see here, 0.22. Good. Okay, let's build our second oscillator, a wine bridge oscillator. Okay, let's build our wine bridge oscillator in Multisim. Again, used a basic op-amp circuit that I have that you guys should have saved too in order to make your lives easier. And let's go grab some components. So this guy's going to be a 15K. And let's see, how many of those do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I need 2 verticals. Let's rotate those. Okay, I got 2 horizontals, 2 verticals. And let's grab a capacitor. We're going to basic capacitor, and this guy is a 0.01. And how many of those do I need? I need 2. And I think I need, 1 horizontal, 1 vertical. So let's rotate this guy. And I need a pot. And he is a 50K. And let's rotate him. And I don't know what I did, but I didn't do what, whoops. There we go, finally. And I need some diodes. So let's go to basic again. Let's see if we got them in. And he's not in there. Let's see if we got. Oh, there it is, diodes. And he is a. Let's see if we could find it. Diode, and we have a 4148. Nope, that was not available. So let's try 914. And let's go to switching diode. There it is. So we got 2 of those. Okay, let's attach everything. So let's get rid of this. And let's reattach him to ground. Okay, so we need a oscillator circuit here. So we got a 15K in parallel with a 0.1. Move him out of the way. Oops, and I erased our ground, so let's get another. Here's our little tank circuit, and let's get him out of the way. Let's move this one way back over on this side here so we have space. So we're going to have our capacitor, another 15K. And let's go ahead and build our tank circuit here. And that's going to go all the way over here to our input. Alrighty. So let's clean this mess up a little bit. Okay. And see if we can squeeze this in a little bit. Let's move to the other side. And we need one 90 clockwise and one 90 counterclockwise. Oops. And let's flip him vertically. There we go. And those all tie back into our output. Let's get rid of that and bring in our potentiometer. We can move that down just a smidge. Okay. And this one's going to go back into here. Okay, let's take a look here. Do we have everything? It's a little different than the back. These are swapped, but no big deal electronically. Let's see here. And we got a spare here, I think. Okay, we got that. 15K. Good.